Hi, my name is Dominic Notter, and I'm one of the people that helps Gary Harrington with his case in this rainwater issue that the state says that they own. Gary Harrington is a 64-year-old man that just went to jail on August 8, 2012 because he collected rainwater, his own rainwater on his own land in his own ponds. In 1973, Gary and his brother Michael went to the water master and they asked for what's called a water certificate. The water master looked at where they lived, said that the water in those areas that were in those ponds up there, and there were hundreds, those waters were from rain and winter runoff. They didn't require a permit. And because the permit was required to get the water certificate, they couldn't issue Gary a water certificate. They clearly told him at the time that the water, the rainwater, and the winter runoff were not under the rule of appropriation. Therefore, they did not have to get the permit. The only reason the jury found Gary guilty is because they were disallowed from hearing the evidence by the judge, who felt that the evidence that Gary had in his defense might unduly prejudice the jury against the state. The first evidence was the issues we've talked about as far as the law not even applying to Gary. Clear definitions, legal expert report, best water law attorney we could find in 4 states, clearly showing that the law didn't apply to Gary. Yet, they needed a case. They needed a case precedent. And so what did they do? They made sure the jury couldn't hear the evidence. That's a stacked deck. Gary's in jail for all of us. Every single one of us could have been this target, this selectively prosecuted target. If we don't help Gary, we don't help ourselves. Right now we have a private family foundation that you can donate some money to help with his legal defense. He's paid almost $200,000 in this fight over the last 10 years, standing up for the rights that are your rights too. We need to support him in that. Anything you can do to help would be greatly appreciated. Thank you.